Show it to me, Jonah. What is it?
It hurts.
Oh.
They bumped his head.
What happened?
The horse bumped his head.
He bumped his head.
The hair is his.
Uh-oh.
It's a band-aid, Mama.
Oh, the horse needs a band-aid?
Yeah.
What does the horse say?
It's a cow.
What is it?
It's a cow.
It's a cow?
Yeah. The cow bumped his head.
And he bumped his head too? What's a cow say?
Moo. Oh, look.
What is it?
What's that, Mama?
What is it?
What is it, Mama?
Oh, I don't know. He's kind of broken, isn't he?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, Jeremiah's spilling the crackers.
Ow.
Thank you, Jeremiah.
Yeah.
What is it?
Yeah. The elephant.
It's an elephant?
Yeah.
What's an elephant say?
Whoa. Mommy, my buddy lives in a bang house. Mommy, my baby needs a big bird. Owie, Mama. Pick it up.
That one had an owie too?
Yeah.
Did you bite his head off?
Yeah.
Oh.
What's
Are you going to eat him?
It's a band-aid, Mama.
He needs a band-aid after you bit him?
Oh, more. More, Mama.
More? What's he need now?
A band-aid.
Oh, he needs a band-aid?
Yeah.
Yeah, what do you have, Jeremiah? Is it yummy? Yum, yum, yum.
What's that, Mama? What's that? What's that, Mama?
I don't know. What is that?
It's a bear, Mama. It's a bear, Mama.
It's a bear?
Yeah.
What do you have, Abraham?
A broken one.
A broken one.
That's.
Did you eat him?
No.
Oh, he's just broken.
Mama, look.
What do you have?
Band-aid.
What is it?
I mean band-aid.
He needs a band-aid?
Yes.
Don't squish your brother. Your brother's eating there, Abraham.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. What happened?
That picked up for.
Okay.
What's that, Mama?
I don't know. What is it? Is it camel?
No, it's a turtle.
Oh, it's a turtle.
Yeah.
I think it's a camel. It's a camel with a hump. Camels have humps. What is it now? An owie?
The Chino. That Chino.
Oh, is that a turtle? That does look like a turtle. I think you do have a turtle.
Ow! 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 Get a boat, Mommy. Ow!
Oh, he's broken. Jeremiah, where are you going? Let's put these back down. What is it?
Like a little toy. That's a toy, Mama.
Oh,
It's a toy.
it's a car?
It's like a toy.
Oh, a star?
Yeah. Mama. It's a lion, Mama. Get a lion.
What is it?
The lion.
Oh.
Mama, look. I'm not made it. Ow. The hurt, Mama. The hurt, Mama.
You gave him an owie?
Yeah.
Did you bite his head off?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. You need a band-aid.
Ow. 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 I was too, Mama.
Mm-hmm.
You were out
Yeah, that one got an owie too?
The band-aid.
Okay. We'll have to get lots of band-aids.